Good morning, and welcome to episode 8 of the Eastside Extra.
Dude, guess what?
What?
We're making money.
No way. How much?
$13.84.
Dude, man, that's awesome. But you know, isn't that like child labor?
That's a good point, but we won't get caught.
You're right. We're probably good. Anyways.
This week, for Hispanic Heritage Month, we asked Mr. Meza about his part in the Hispanic Heritage Art Talk.
Let's roll that clip.
Good morning, Eastside. My name is Mr. Meza. I'm a Spanish 1 teacher. On September 15th, it was the beginning of Hispanic Heritage Month, and my class talked about the countries that had their independence on September 15th. We also put on a show to mark the beginning of Hispanic Heritage Month. Roll the clip.
Visual interpretations. The state did not have a formal regional dance form until the early 1970s. El estado de Sinaloa is known for their banda style and their music.
And now, for this week's Eastside News.
Good morning, Lions. This is student support site here to give you news relevant to you. Lions, if you're interested in promoting better mental health or physical fitness, you can meet Mr. Stein behind the middle of the main classroom building at 6:30 a.m. Mr. Stein walks the road behind the school that goes around the inside of the fence. If any of you are interested in this, it's an informal exercise support group open to anyone. I hope to see you there. We have officially entered autumn. As you can tell, the days have gone from extremely scorching to cooler temperatures. As the temperature continues to drop, make sure to wear a nice warm jacket. Although if you are in need of warm clothes or toiletries, please come by room 105 during snack or lunch to stop at our free thrift store. Attention Eastside. On October 2nd, Super Saturday School will be taking place from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Have you been struggling this semester? Are your grades not exactly where you want them to be? Have you maybe had a rough time to begin the school year? If so, don't worry. You're not finished yet. October 2nd, come to Saturday School and get those grades raised.
For breakfast, the cafeteria will be serving Chick-fil-A, and for lunch, tacos. This is a great opportunity for anybody to catch up on any missing assignments and get their grade up. Be on the lookout for the sign-up sheet as well as the list of teachers attending Super Saturday School. That's it for the student support side of the Eastside Extra. Bye!
Hello and welcome to
Activities.
News. It's high school registration week. Go visit Mr. Morales by the ASB store during English to get pre-registered to vote. Don't forget that you need to be at least 16, a U.S. resident, and a California resident. You must have your California ID ready also. You can also register online on your own using the link below down in the description. Voting is an essential part of what makes our country a democracy, so you don't forget to make your voice heard. And now we have a special message from the Foreign Language Department.
From the Foreign Language Department,
We want to wish Eastside
a happy Hispanic Heritage Month.
Another reminder to all video game lovers, the late registration deadline for esports is on October 8th and there are still some spots available to form a second League of Legends team. Anyone interested in joining can visit Coach Morales in room 139 or email him. Also, if you want to join, make sure you have your own League of Legends account to begin playing. Have you ever wondered what the esports team room actually looks like? Well, here's a few clips of the teams in action. That's it for the
Activities.
news this week. See you guys next week.
Hi Lions, welcome back to another episode of Eastside Extra. This week's update on the new and improved academics, the freshmen did an electrophoresis lab and the results came out amazing. Let's take a look. If you thought that was cool, wait until you see what the biomed sophomores did with Mr. Gomez.
So I built the temporal lobe right here with the motor cortex. The sensory cortex is right here with the parietal lobe. Right here, this is the occipital lobe. I can't really see that one. And then this one's the temporal lobe. Here's the cerebellum. There we go. And then down here, all the way down here, that is the brainstem.
As much as we love Biomed, we have to give a shout out to the Avid Academy. Let's pop in and see what they're doing.
So my point of confusion is how can you find the coordinate distance of the 2 points?
Thank you to the amazing teachers in both the Biomed and Avid Academies. That's it, Lions, on this week's episode for Academy News. Bye!
Good morning, Lions, and welcome to this week's admin news. Have you heard of Undermine? Probably not. You might want to ask Mr. Lobato about his high school days. Speaking of Big Lotto, last year he was congratulated with the Teacher of the Year award. Although it may be a while since it was given, it is never too late to celebrate. Check out us giving him the award.
Any nice words you would like to say?
Nothing. It's been a joy to teach you for the last 5 years and looking forward to many more.
And now, a bit of appreciation for our favorite AP US history teacher, Joseph Maximum Lobato, who may also be recognized for his hit DC movie, Aquaman.
Mr. Lobato is an awesome teacher. He cares about his students.
Right, Lobato is an awesome teacher. Any of you out there that are lucky enough to have him, it's a big deal.
Mr. Lobato's beard is awesome, and his personality is pretty cool too.
Lobato's got a good beard that Morales could only strive to ever have.
Mr. Lobato saves the day. Not just Teacher of the Year. You're so weird. Spare tire changer and all. Thanks, Mr. Lobato. You're welcome.
Hey, are you okay?
I'm failing my classes.
What class are you failing?
Math.
Well, you know there's after-school tutoring and Super Saturday School is coming up on October 2nd. There's still a chance for you to raise your grade.
Really?
Yeah.
And remember, take 2 for suicide prevention.
That is all for this week's admin news. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Hello, Eastside Lions. This is the athletic segment of the Eastside Extra. In the small gym on October 4th at 5:30 p.m., Coach Nelson will be holding boys basketball tryouts. However, you must be completely cleared in the athletics department in order to participate. Just to let you guys know, our junior varsity football team on Thursday, September 30th at 5:30 here at Eastside will be playing against Quartz Hill. On the day prior to October 1st, our varsity team will be going against Quartz Hill at 7 for the home game kickoff. We hope to see you there. If you haven't found out yet, Eastside has updated their football ticket policy. They will be offering pre-sale admission tickets to parents for our football games. Tickets can be purchased in person, which is recommended, on the Wednesday prior to the Friday game in the student store between the hours of 1:15 p.m. and 3 p.m. If you cannot make it to campus during this time, you can purchase advance tickets through our web store or purchase tickets at the box office. Students can purchase advance tickets only in person at the student store during snack and lunch prior to the Friday game. Students may only purchase their own ticket and must show their student ID to enter the football game. You must have your advance ticket receipt to enter the game. Also, a quick reminder, the gates will open at 5:30 p.m. for the game, and as usual, no bags, no skateboards are allowed at the game. You will be taken out. And now for Athlete of the Week.
Congrats to our Athletes of the Week. Haley took off 3 minutes off her time at the Raider Invitational, and Alan finished the course in 18 minutes and 18 seconds. Athletes of the Week, come to room 118 to get your free Jersey Mike sub. Hello, my name is Mallory Jimenez, and I'm here at the Eastside versus Highland game. Let's go!
That's all for this week's athletic segment. Tune in to next week for more information.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Eastside Extra.
We hope you enjoyed this week's episode.
Wait, 2 more things before we go. 1, we'd like to give a special happy birthday to our very own Mrs. Stonerack.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stone Rock. Happy birthday to you.
And now, for her birthday, let's all please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.